Hello, my name is Michelle and I'm a student ambassador. As you prepare for the upcoming semester, we want to share some of the many ways that CUNYfirst will help you. CUNYfirst is a tool that will help you manage your academics and financial information while you attend CUNY. Students use it to select and register for classes, view the mode that classes will begin in, such as in-person, hybrid, or fully online, review their schedules, see and locate their class notes, locate the required textbooks and materials for their courses, transfer credits, and view assigned grades. If you have applied for federal, state, or any other grants, your status and financial distributions can be accessed here as well. In this video, a few features that CUNYfirst aids in will be highlighted. CUNYfirst can be accessed through the CUNY or the QCC homepage. For this tutorial, we will access it through Queensborough's main page. This can be done by typing in qcc.cuny.edu in the URL bar above. When you arrive on the homepage, hover your mouse on where it says Login. And then from there, click on CUNYfirst from the drop-down menu. If you have not activated your CUNYfirst account, click on New User and complete the required steps. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can always click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Just know that your username is your first name dot your last name and the last two digits of your EMPL ID, which is also your student ID. Once you have logged in, make sure to click on Student Center on the CUNYfirst main menu page. Sometimes the system can create an error, so just don't worry about it. Refresh your page and you'll see this page pop up. On your Student Center page, you are able to view your EMPL ID number, and you're able to see your classes at a glance, and also you're able to view any holds that you may have on your account, such as transcript holds, bursars holds, immunization holds, for example, if you haven't submitted any medical records yet. The Student Center also provides a to-do list. For example, the to-do list can remind you or indicate to file your FAFSA, which is your financial aid if you qualify or are qualified, and some other things such as these mentioned here. In addition, another important thing that you can find on your Student Center page is your assigned advisor's name. Now getting back to your classes. Your class schedule on this page will show you the days and times the classes meet. In addition, it will show you if your courses are online, synchronous, or asynchronous. To find out more details about your courses, you can click on where it says Other Academic in a box with the doubled arrows. Select Class Schedule and then click on the doubled arrows. To view additional details on a course, click on the blue hyperlink in the section column. Here you will be able to review the number of credits associated with your class, the instruction mode, whether it's hybrid, in-person, or fully online, and also your instructor's name. Now, I know you don't see an instructor's name here, but sometimes this happens when registering for classes, but then a few days before the semester starts, the instructor will be available. Some professors may choose to include class notes for their courses. These notes provide additional information and your responsibilities for the course. For example, professors may define how often their hybrid class will meet in person and the attendance policy. To find out more of what a course entails, this can be found in the description section. Under textbooks/other materials, you will find a list of the books and materials that are needed for the course. Just a side note, don't worry if some of these sections are blank for any of your classes. Some professors may choose to provide this information closer to the beginning of the semester, or through your student email, or on the first day of class. Please make sure to check your student email often. If you need any assistance or encounter difficulty logging in, please contact our IT help desk at helpdesk@qcc.cuny.edu.